Do you ever wonder how people get that perfect seamless look to their Christmas lights? Well, today, we at 1000 Bulbs have put together this quick video just for you, explaining how to make your holiday displays better than ever with the use of bulk wire. Firstly, what even is bulk wire? Bulk wire, or zip wire, is primarily used to create custom extension cords and light stringers. It is made of two parallel strands, a smooth hot wire, and a ribbed neutral wire. In layman's terms, bulk wire is used to create that floating effect with your Christmas lights, most commonly seen in multi-story homes. Bulk wire is the primary difference between an amateur and professional light display. Bulk wire comes in two different types, SPT1 and SPT2. The only difference between the two is the amount of insulation around the wires. SPT1 wire is most commonly used for Christmas lights. SPT2, with its slightly thicker insulation, is used for harsh environments or for lighting being used year-round. For demonstration purposes, we will be using SPT1 wire for this video. Now, before you can start adding sockets and plugs to your bulk wire, make sure they are rated for the wire type. Since we are using SPT1 wire, the sockets and plugs must also be SPT1. For this video, we have C7 sockets, inline female plugs, and male plugs. They are all commonly referred to as vampire sockets and plugs due to the large teeth that pierce the wire in order to make the electrical connection. To start, the light sockets consist of the socket piece and the back cap. They can be added anywhere along the length of the wire. If you look inside the socket, you will see two teeth. One attaches to a metal tab on the side of the socket, the other to the tab on the bottom of the socket. Line the wire up in the groove so that the ribbed neutral wire connects with the tooth connected to the metal tab on the side of the socket, and press down so the teeth bite into the wire. Next, press the back cap down into place, making sure it is even. You can press it down onto a flat surface or use pliers. The socket is now ready to use. Male plugs attach at the end of the wire. Each tooth is connected to one of the prongs, with the wide prong being neutral and the thin prong being hot. First, split the wire 3/4 of an inch down the middle. Next, line up the wire so that the ribbed side aligns with the neutral prong. Then insert it into the channel and bend it over the teeth. Finally, slide on the cap to complete the connection. Female plugs can be placed anywhere along the wire, allowing you to add extensions or drops where needed. They can also be added at the end to cap off the string. Like male plugs, the wide insert is neutral and the small insert is hot. To install the plug along the wire or in line, first choose the spot you want the plug to be. Next, line up the wire so that the rib side is aligned with the neutral insert and press the wire down. Finally, slide on the cap. To install a female plug at the end of the wire, simply follow the same steps as the male plug. 1000 Bulbs has a wide selection of bulk wire, sockets, and plugs available from Christmas Light Company. Bulk wire is sold by the spool, while plugs and sockets are sold by the pack for added convenience. If you have additional questions or need help finding the right plugs or sockets, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our lighting experts, or visit 1000bulbs.com.